Hey guys, Ashley Peterson here with Promo Realty, and I'm standing outside of 107 North Capistrano. This is a great home, west side Jefferson City, and it is all main level living. So if you're looking for a place with no steps, this is the house for you. Inside, you're gonna see a beautiful stone fireplace right when you walk in. It's the focal point of the living room. Also, there's a wonderful sunroom that overlooks the fenced-in backyard. Another nice thing is that there's 4 spacious bedrooms. The bedrooms are a great size. And then you also have a nice big garage, but in the garage you do have a set of stairs that will take you to an unfinished bonus area. So somebody would have extra storage there, or if you wanted, you could finish that area off as well. So sit back and enjoy the tour.